Okay, the key to answering this question correctly is realizing that the word could means that it's possible, right? It doesn't say that it did result, but what this is asking you is mathematically, which of these options are possible? And what it's saying is that it could be that the birth rate went down or the death rate went up. So if you were thinking, no, it can't be the birth rate, it's a decrease in individuals, it has to be more deaths, you're forgetting the fact that population growth is the sum of four processes, right? So you could either have more things being subtracted by death over time, or you could have fewer things being added by birth. So if you decrease the birth rate, you essentially do the same thing as increasing the death rate. So mathematically, it doesn't matter. And in fact, then the answer is true. It could be either of these, leading to the result. So just seeing a population decline doesn't imply that more organisms are dying each year. It could imply that reproduction is being hit for some reason, and fewer individuals are being born each year into that population. And as it turns out, here's the real reason why that population was declining. Whales were being taken to SeaWorld. In fact, we would call this emigration. Not voluntary emigration, but forced emigration. And so this process also reminds us that not only could births be decreasing or deaths be increasing, but emigration could be increasing, or, you guessed it, immigration could be decreasing. And if either of those or all of those four things are happening to some degree over those 5 years, that would explain the decrease in population size. Okay, now let's try a second scenario. So here we have a period of time over a few years where the population is steadily increasing, followed by a period of time where the population is steadily decreasing. So, answer this question. True or false, the growing population between 1985 and 1995 could have resulted from a decrease in emigration or an increase in immigration.